it begins to rain, I sit and watch it fall, rolling down my window pane. Memories I recall, reminds me of the tears that I cried over you when you walked out on me for somebody new. Sunshine you gave to me, you took that away. Now all I have are memories in a world of gray. When you left that day, broke my heart in two. Life means nothing to me now.